Hi, really looking forward to being on a chat with Gareth and Mick from Clockwork Eye Video Training. They've asked me to answer a few questions before the show, and this one is, what advice would you give your younger self? Now, while I'm quite happy to give my younger self advice, I do believe that a lot of, whether we've made mistakes or whatever that we've done in the past, are a part of leading us up to where we are now, and they're a part of us becoming who we are. So I wouldn't want to necessarily change anything, but perhaps I would ask or advise my younger self to perhaps be a little bit more confident in yourself, be more comfortable with your ability, and don't let people lead you down paths that perhaps you don't want to go down. Just be confident in where your end vision is and where you're looking to get to. See you on the 20th at 12 p.m. on a chat with me.